Aside from promo codes, did you know that there are other features on the Rush CMS platform that you can use to engage your customers? Michelle here, and welcome back to In a Rush. In this video, we're going to show you how to create pop-ups using the engagement module of the Rush CMS. We'll keep it quick and easy because who knows, you might be in a rush. A pop-up is a small window that appears upon launching or while browsing a website or an app. It's a great way to promote new products or special offers, announce updates, and a whole lot more. To create pop-ups, head to the News and Pop-up tab and click the plus button. On the pop-up window, yes, this is a perfect example. Select Pop-up and click the Create button. The Rush CMS is equipped with a live mockup creator that shows your edits in real time. To start creating, add the pop-up title, set the type of pop-up, and upload your poster or banner image. Then, choose whether to redirect your customers to an external link or news link. An optional add-on is a call to action button that elicits an action from your customers. To enable, toggle the button option and customize your button by changing the color, setting the button text format, and adding the text. To add more buttons, just click Add Button. Finally, choose a channel where the pop-up will be visible and set the publish date. Click Save and Exit. Your new pop-up now appears on the News and Pop-up tab. This will be published automatically on your chosen channels on your set publish date. Now, your customers can see your pop-ups. To disable, you can toggle off the pop-up visibility using the Edit button or simply delete it. It's easy, right? Now, you can keep engaging your customers with special offers, news, or anything you could think of. This has been Michelle, and thank you for tuning in to In a Rush.